Everyone has memories of important events that have happened to them and their family. Sometimes we keep an object from the past that helps us to remember these significant events. In this video, I'm going to show you an object that will help me share a story with you of a significant past event. Let's start with a reminder of what we mean by a significant event. An event is an occasion that has happened or is going to take place. It happens at a certain time in a certain place. Events are considered significant if they continue to be important to a person or family, or are recognized by a large number of people, or help people to understand their own world better. In this video, I will be referring to an event that continues to be important to me and my family. As you can see in this image, I have an object here, which is a large seashell. Often, an object can remind us of a significant event from the past. This shell is one I collected when I went on a beach holiday with my family a long time ago. So this is an object that helps me to remember a significant past event. So how do you go about telling a story about a significant event? First of all, I'm going to use the question starters who, what, where, when, why, and how to help me gather the information I need to tell a story about this past event. These are the questions I'm going to ask about this object and how it reminds me of the event. I'm going to ask, what significant event does this object represent? When was the event? Where did the event take place? Who was there? What happened? How did I feel about the event? I will now answer these questions and tell you the story of that special event. Have a listen now while I tell you about this object that reminds me of a special past event. Listen to see if I answer some of those questions we listed before. This is a shell I found many years ago when I was a little boy. My family and I went on a holiday to a beach spot in North Queensland. We stayed in a caravan park near the beach, and there were no showers or toilets. There weren't even many shops back then. We had to take most of our food with us from home. Even so, it was a wonderful holiday place. My dad went fishing, and my sister, my brother, and I used to spend hours on the beach, exploring rock pools and looking for shells. Sometimes, if we were lucky, we would find large shells washed up onto the shore. I found this beautiful shell one day, and I have kept it ever since. It sits in a box along with the rest of my shell collection. Whenever I look at this shell, it reminds me of my family and our holiday at the beach. It was one of the best holidays my family and I ever had. Now you are going to write a short story about your significant event related to an object that you have selected from your time capsule box. You can include information using who, what, where, when, why, and how questions to explain your event. Here are some examples to help you. What is the item or object? What significant event does the item or object represent? When was the event? Where did the event take place? Who was there? Why was this event important to you and your family? Good luck with your story!